Welcome to Fix Your Left AirPod Not Working Issues on howtosolve.com YouTube channel. Follow all the potential solutions that will help you to resolve your left AirPod won't work as expected. Solution 1. Check the audio balance left and right on your device. On the screen, I'm checking my iPhone X audio balance. Open the Settings app. Tap on General. Tap Accessibility. Scroll down the screen to check the audio balance. Oh no, here my audio set for right side, that's why it doesn't work. I'm dragging it and set to the center for balance audio on both right and left channel. So you guys, hope you resolved our issue. Let's comment us in the below. In case if doesn't work, then go with next troubleshooting. Second solution. Check your left battery has enough power juice. Lots of guys having an issue as like left AirPod battery died and so just right AirPod work. See the clip to check left and right AirPods battery life. You can also check AirPods battery life on your Apple Watch and Apple Mac. Using given description video source. Solution 3. In this clue, you should disconnect and paired AirPods again. For this, forgot your AirPods from your phone or Mac and then reset your AirPods as you can see in this video. By pressing on the back button of the AirPods charging case till white light flashing and animation appear on the phone screen. Solution 4. Left AirPods won't charge. You should clean inside of left AirPod contact into an AirPods charging case. Due to daily use, the left AirPod chip contact make a layer of debris and that why AirPods not charge. So clean it using a soft toothpick, or you can order AirPods cleaning kit using a given link in the description below. Solution 5. This is one of the simple but necessary to check volume controls of your AirPods paired device. Low volume, unable to hearing music on your AirPod. Increase volume and then check it out. Hope it will be work for you. Solution 6. If tried all workarounds and however your left AirPods won't work, then comment us and we will help you to support Apple Contact. In addition, we will share our maximum expertise with you. But for this, you will have to subscribe to our channel and like and share this video. If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button and tap on bell icon to get the latest video notifications alert. Also be sure to follow on social media and we'll see in the next video.